First, let's explore this journal kits with pretty faces. Poetic gift box. Let's open this poetic gift box journal kit. Inside the box, you'll get A6 grid notebook with cover, 60 sheets sticky note, 20 sheets per design, 10 sheets paper with perforation, you can make 30 sheets of paper from it, 2 rolls washi tape, 2 pieces envelopes, 20 pieces card papers, 4 sheets washi stickers, 4 sheets PET stickers, 10 sheets pattern papers, 10 pieces journal paper, 5 pattern paper washi, for a total of 124 pieces. This set is perfect for autumn lovers. It gives cozy Thanksgiving cafe vibes. My favorite are these PET stickers. They're glossy, clear, and instant make your page looks premium. I'll rate it 8.5 out of 10. Royal Journal Kit. Let's open this Royal Journal Kit. Inside the box, you'll get A6 grid journal with cover, 60 pieces memo papers, 20 sheets per design, 30 pieces PET stickers, 10 pieces decorative card, 2 rolls washi tapes, 2 pieces envelopes, 10 pieces folding notes. You can make it up to 30 pieces. 3 pieces metal bookmarks, 6 sheets washi stickers, and 15 sheets material paper. For a total of 137 pieces per sheet. This set gives full Victorian princess energy. It's classy, romantic, elegant, lace, gloves, love letter, vintage, premium aesthetic. I absolutely love the white lace detail. It feels delicate and feminine. My favorite piece are these ticket-style cardstock. They're amazing for layering and vintage spread. I'll rate it 8.5 out of 10. Summer Mood. Let's open this Summer Mood Journal Kit. Inside the box, you'll get one A6 grid notebook with cover, 2 pieces envelopes, 20 sheets cardstock paper, 60 pieces note papers, 20 pieces per design, 10 sheets design paper, 4 sheets washi sticker, 4 sheets PET stickers, 10 sheets folded paper, 2 roll washi tape, 5 sheets journal paper, 5 sheets tracing paper, for a total of 124 pieces. Overall, this journal kit is perfect for blue aesthetic lovers. It has a very cool, dainty, slightly mystical vibe. My favorite are these PET stickers. They're very versatile and easy to layer. I'll rate it 8.5 out of 10. Light Morning. Let's open this Light Morning journal kit. Inside the box, you'll get one A6 grid notebook with cover, 20 pieces cards, $60 pieces note paper, 20 pieces per design, 2 roll washi tapes, 10 sheets paper, 2 pieces envelopes, 10 pieces folded notes, 4 sheets washi sticker paper, 4 sheets PET stickers, 5 sheets journal paper, and 5 sheets tracing paper, for a total of 124 pieces. Overall, this journal kit is perfect for green lovers. It has a very country spring vibe, fresh, soft, and calming. My favorite piece are these PET stickers. Very subtle and beautiful. I'll rate it 8.5 out of 10. Gentle Years. Let's open this Gentle Years journal kit. Inside the box, you'll get A6 grid journal with cover, $20 pieces card paper, two pieces envelopes, 60 pieces memo papers, 30 pieces per design, two roll washi tape, 10 sheets journal papers, 4 pieces washi stickers, 4 pieces PET stickers, 10 pieces folding notes. You can make it up to 30 pieces. 5 sheets journal paper, and 5 sheets tracing paper, with a total of 119 pieces. Overall, this journal kit is perfect for winter Christmas season. Calm, cozy, and slightly vintage. Perfect for December spread and holiday memory keeping. My favorite are these PET stickers. I'll rate it 8 out of 10.